Okay. I don't know if that's recording. My gut feeling says it is, but my anxiety says it isn't, so I'm going to check. It is. It indeed is recording. Don't know if it's recording right or not. I don't care if it's recording right or not, because I'm gonna stop now. Alright. I haven't recorded in a while. The last time I did, I think it was Lethal Company. It might have been another game and I just never uploaded the video. Like, I have like 6 videos I never upload because I just don't wanna. So, I don't know how popular this game is, but I've been enjoying it with my friend. And I haven't played single player before. Yeah. I don't know that much about the game. I don't understand 80% of it. All I know is just shoot, kill, get money, kill some more, and then eventually more things. I'm still not used to recording, and also I don't have a door anymore, so everyone can hear me. And that also means you can hear everyone else. Yeah, I think that's about it. Don't really have... Why do I want to be a YouTuber when I barely know how to YouTube the Yube? Can't even talk to people in real life. I think you can talk to a camera that doesn't exist. Alright. So, single player. Yeah, never played it before. Yep. I keep forgetting how to exit. Alright, I don't know how loud this is compared to the rest of my game, but who cares? I don't. I'd love to put this on some world this time. Yeah, I don't make very good decisions. Ever. Every decision I make is followed by 68 different people trying to kill me. Or just myself failing to exist. Because I'm just not very good at that. I like Captain Commando a lot in this game. I think but that's just my opinion. It's not very good overall. It's like, look already, I'm practically dead. But also not, you know, I'm very bad at speaking. Maybe I just shouldn't speak, and this can be a no commentary gameplay. I like how he just obliterates them with one shot sometimes. It's really fun. There's other things about this game that I'd love to talk about, but I also suck at talking without any plan, and I have no plan. I also suck at talking when I have a script as well. So overall, I just suck at talking. Oh yeah, this game is called Crystal Break 2. I didn't know there was a first one. I haven't found the first one. I didn't know the game existed until a bunch of people. You know what? Let's just forget I was talking. But remember that I can speak. Is that the... Yeah, that's it, but I need to find more stuff first. I played this game. If you've watched, I'd say if you've even looked at a Lethal Company video, maybe even just, what are those things called again? The picture that you see when you watch the video and all that. You know, my memory's really bad. game that goes on forever and ever and ever. This game has no true end. Well, it does, but it doesn't. You can just keep going, you know? But there is... Technically, the game ends at stage 6, but I don't know enough about the game to actually explain any of that stuff. Ow. Chest over here. Maybe I'm insane. I think I'm insane. Actually, no, we've been over this. I am insane. Wait, no, we haven't been over this. Me and Silver have been over this. Yes, Speedy Boy. What? They can use those? No, thank you. Oh, I missed. That sucks. I don't really know much about this character, but he has a shotgun. I don't really like shotguns that much, but that was in different games, and maybe I just like them because I'm, you know, I'm dumb, I'm stupid, I don't know anything. Game's got in the way. Eyes off my road. Drones for backup. Cool. Where's the lizard that's shooting laser beams? Okay, I should find a couple more things, and I should use the teleporter and fight whatever boss for this stage. What are things that people talk about themselves to an audience that doesn't really exist? Because, like, on average, I get, like, maybe 8 views on average. I'm not very good YouTuber. I don't know when or at one point I decided, okay, YouTubing seems like a good idea. You see my channel, you're here, some strange reason. Why are you here? How have you seen this? You're probably Silver. Hi, Silver. You're probably watching this while you're about to talk to me again. Yes. Let's catch up on... Why do you have notifications? Why am I in your recommended? How am I in your recommended? My content ranges from stupid, annoying, dumb, to low quality. Since this game actually has a timer up in the corner, I might be able to keep track this time, and I should be able to pause and start a new recording at around 40 minutes. I think that's a good time to stop the recording. I don't know, on average I watch 1 hour, 2 hour videos. Like, recently I've been watching this guy, I just forgot his name. Wow, okay. Oh yeah, Ghost Town Living. It's good. I like it. Just go left the chest down there. Wait, did I already open that? Did I? No, I didn't. Ghost Town Living. I think it's pretty neat. I like it. It's about this guy. Well, it's about this guy. I'm saying like it's a TV show. Well, this guy's channel, it's all about this, the town he bought, the help from a friend, yada yada yada. I don't know, I don't care for money, logic, and stuff, and things. I don't care for things. What's I saying again? Oh yeah. And he's just like fixing up this town, and else things happen. Fires start, he loses his appendix. I don't even know what an appendix is used for. I know it's part of the human body, but what's the point of it? no one ever says things about it, ever. So, I don't know, man. Should I gamble first, or... I can't find any more things, but that could be stupid. It's mainly because I'm stupid. I'm gonna gamble. Gambling my life away. Yippee, yippee. Thanks, I need some more money anyway. Hey, buddy. Come on. Oh yeah, this is, I forgot what I was talking about again. I love freaking what I'm talking about. It's like my favorite thing to do. You know how hard it is to hold a conversation with me? Incredibly hard. Wow. I don't like that thing. The orange glow skull. I don't know what wisps. Wisp. I don't know what to say. Like a statue. Gambling. I might need to turn down the game sound. Yeah, I think I need to turn down the game sound. Hold up. Say 32. I've probably turned this is sound effects. Let's turn that down. Is that better? I think that should be better. Better. Yeah, I don't. Yeah. Okay, where's the teleporter? I'm gonna do that now. I can't find... There it is. Yippee, let's fight a boss. And let's die. God, I can't wait to die to this thing. Glacial where are you? Oh, is that it? Oh no, there's a ton of stuff. Oh god, I don't know what it is. Do I have to kill all these? What? Wait, which one's the boss? Is that the boss? Are you the boss? Okay, I can't stun you. Does that mean you're the boss, or does that not? My friend said you can't stun bosses, but from the looks of it, I can definitely stun that. Oh, I forgot how this cave worked. Hold up. Okay, so I think that was the boss. Different bosses in single player than for multiplayer. I guess two people, different oh, they fall. Oh, well. Wow. Hey, buddy. Hey, friend. Hey, wait, do I have to kill all stone golems? His health doesn't look like the... Oh, you're kidding me. Why are there so many of these things? Usually it's, the lady... Giant beetle queen. Yeah, queen beetle. Oh, I hit the pillar. Okay, so I guess I do have to kill everything. Where are the rest of them? I'm just gonna wait until a beam lasers upon me. I don't know where they are. Okay, maybe not. Maybe I have to actually go find them, because I think they lost me and I lost them. Why are these guys... What are you circling? What is... I don't want to know, actually. Oh, that's Luna coin. Luna coins are like this thing that you use in the lizard shop. Yeah, I don't know either. My friend is better at explaining than I am. So I don't know what's going on here, but I hear it, but I don't see it. Like, I could just be blind, which I am. I am blind. There we go. Okay, now I need to find another one. I think this should be only 3. From the sounds of it, it's over here. No, that's a normal golem. Oh, nope, there it is. Hey, buddy. Oh, I missed. It's fine. Whoosh. Whoosh. Okay, I didn't curse. Good enough. I don't know what that was, though. I need to get a Hopu feather, I think it was. It's a really cool blue feather. I like how it looks. I might, like, trying... I like its color palette. Yeah. Oh. Wait, I don't need to wait? Huh. Single player's a lot different. Okay, let's take a quick look around to check for anything I could have missed, which I most certainly did, because I know there was another gambling tower. Gambling tower. Gambling. Yep, sure. Gambling tower. I think, it's... Don't know what it was called. My friend would. My pal. I'm gonna stop saying my friend. Actually, I'm gonna keep saying my friends are... It feels better than actually stating upon a person's name. You know what? Do YouTubers need to introduce themselves? No, you can just look down at the icon to see who I am. I don't need to say things. Shut up, fire breather. Okay. Yep. You know, I played with, a couple other people on Silver, and I played with 2 other people once, and it was the most chaotic thing ever. I died so much. It's like, they always want to start with the hardest mode possible, with everything on, and like, I can't think that fast. Cause, you know, you don't know. Actually, maybe you do know. Maybe you're witnessing this because you're a fan of this game. But also, why would you watch this if you're a fan of this game? This is like the worst quality entertainment you've ever come across. Like, buddy, pal, please. I implore you to go elsewhere. Actually, no, please stay. I think it's not a good idea to tell people to go elsewhere when I'm trying to. Is this... I don't know what this is, so I'm not gonna pick it up, and I can't. Money! Wow, okay, I suck at this. Ooh, okay then. I don't remember what that one is. What is that? No, what is it? Shrine of Combat, okay. Oh, that thing. You see this? Do not shoot, it blows up. I found that out the hard way. I got a little curious. And I stood right on top of it. Not a good idea. I don't know what a lot of these things are called, but I think it's really cool. Apparently on this stage, this environment, this biome, whatever term you would refer to it as, there's a little hidden thing. You get an achievement for it. Stuff. Yeah. What are you? I don't like that. Who needs armor when I can just take the brunt of the damage and deal with it later? Go deal with things, my minions. What the? Oh. Man, it's so much easier to focus when I don't hear other people. Like, I never realized how stupid I was until I realized how stupid I was, which was right now. Yeah, what was I, what am I doing again? Oh, yeah, that. So, yeah. This is Risk of Rain. 2 for some reason, even though I've never heard of the first game. I wonder what happened to it. People like never hear of it again. Like just disappear into the ends of the sands of time. Yeah. What was that again? I looked at it earlier, but I forgot what it was called. Oh yeah, that. I'm gonna look around a bit more, and then maybe I'll do it. Okay, there's the portal. And there's something behind me. But I'm going to ignore it. Because I'm going to. Nothing can stop me but myself. Maybe maybe somebody else walking in here, but I don't see that happening. I need to remember what my pause button is real quick. Okay. Just in case someone does walk in. Oh wow, that was okay. It wasn't even aiming for me. Wow. Okay. That was an embarrassment to my entire bloodline. Yeah. What you just watched was probably painful. Oh, hey, there's the... Oh, yeah, yeah. The thing. I like this thing. I like the thing. Very, very much. I don't know what that does. Everything else seems to suck, so I'm gonna take it. Oh, actually, no, this is... Okay. Okay, so I know what it does now. What is that? Whoop. Doesn't matter, it didn't do anything. Okay, I'm gonna get away from all of this. Ow. Ow. Okay, apparently you get, like, rewards for this. Oh no, I don't like you. Just explode. Where are the rest? What? Why are there none? Oh. Hi there, didn't see you there. Nothing happened. I don't understand. My friend's okay. Maybe I'm just remembering it wrong. I remember a lot of things wrong. What? I thought something hit me. What? Bro, I'm so confused. Anyway. Is that real? Oh, that's a dead body. That's not a chest. Okay. Doesn't seem to be nothing else. So I'm gonna kill off these guys right quickly. Actually, I'm just gonna start the teleporter event. Oh hey, it's the guy. Wow, okay, okay, wow. That was a lot. My friend really hates that one, and I don't understand why. He doesn't do anything, he just sits there. And dies. And... yeah. He's not a very good boss. Oh hey, I need to kill you, don't I? Apparently people don't like the character I'm playing as. I don't get why. What do you play as? He's kind of overpowered, as one would say. Maybe it's because he's overpowered that people don't like him? I like him. Well, he is a little slower than I'd like. But he makes up for it with how much damage he does and how quickly he can do this damage. Like, he goes really well with the lightning thing. It's a Q item. That thing that summons drones. There's more of those types of things. I don't exactly remember what they're called. Equipment? Yeah, equipment, I think it was. He goes really well with the one that lightnings everything. Because, like, the lightning, it does, like, a lot of damage. Anyway, yep. 22 minutes into this. On this level, I think imps start spawning. I remember them because they're annoying. That's just the eyes. I want to see the light drain from your eyes. You have no eyeballs though, so. Okay, wow. You take a lot to kill. I don't like that. Enjoy hell. Am I allowed to say that word on YouTube? Man, what am I allowed to say on YouTube? I never actually figured that out because I just... I don't know, man. Ah! Why do I keep getting that one? I don't want it. Oh no, not the yak. Be gone, foul beast. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, fuck. I mean, that's a recording now. Oh, well. Grab this and run. I think speed's a really crucial thing in this game. So, like, if you get the chance to get anything speed related and... Babish. Anything speed related, do it. But you'd want to get it with the Hopu feather. It helps a lot. Fire. Fire. I love me some, arsonism. Fire's really pretty, but I'm also incredibly terrified of its power. I respect it from a distance, much like you should, woman, as one would say. Man, I have terrible humor. Like, that wasn't funny to me. Why did I say it? Why was that said so weird? What was I saying? I don't know. I have short-term memory. As one would say, I have a memory of a goldfish, even though that's technically incorrect. Because goldfish actually have pretty good memories. I can't exactly remember where I figured that out from, but yeah, I saw it somewhere. I think someone else told it to me. I don't know. I trust things my friends say if it's not stupid. If it doesn't sound stupid. They're fish. I'm fish. I will become fish. I will swim. I like water. As long as it isn't nasty. Water is nice. It hydrates. So, oh, what the hell? Oh, okay then. Wow, I missed all of those. That was... Wow, okay. Okay, that's why he sucks. Alright, I understand if you don't actually aim for your target. I'm not a very good speedrunner. I like taking my time to like go over things and stuff. Me and Silver are both like that. We like taking our time with games. But the two people we were playing with, that one time we tried to do this 4-player, they were speedrunners heart and soul. They wanted to power up quickly and fast without any cause for anyone else, without any concern for anyone else. They cared for none. It was hard to keep up. I died a lot. It's the most boring game I've ever played. Like, it was soul-rending. I think that's what the word is. Or how you describe it. I'm not too sure. I'm not good at words. I am canonically dyslexic, as one would say. If you read my legal documents, the hospital documents and stuff, it tells you. Yep. Oh shit. Woohoo! I have better luck than I usually do. Actually no, this is still the same luck anyway. Okay, there's a thing. Oh, I can't use that. Never mind. At that point, you have to be a speedrunner to get that. Unfortunately, I am not. This is not okay. Ooh. Is this empty? Yeah, it's done. Yeah, I don't get why people rush games so much. Like, you can't enjoy a game by rushing through it. You're just not seeing it. You just don't appreciate it. Like with this game. I think it looks really neat. It has a similar art style to, I said this at some point. It was either, Slime. No, I think Slime Rancher. No, it does have a similar style to Slime Rancher. For a minute, I thought I was talking about a different game. Yeah. Has a similar style to Slime Rancher. I like Slime Rancher. Yeah. It'd be like, I am that person. Unfortunately. I'm not very good at shooter games. I don't know if this counts as a shooter game. For I'm somewhat good at it, so it must not be. Oh, it's the easy one again. Okay, where is he? There he is. Am I running? I don't think I'm running. Oh, there we go. Oh, there's two of them. Okay. Okay. Okay, this map is really chaotic. Oh, I don't like it when it does that. Do I get two things? Did I beat two things? No, I don't. That's upsetting. And now, ow. And now, ow. Yep. These claw things will show me what I missed. Oh, there's a chest right there. Chest up there. Oh, I need two jumps to get up there. Never mind. Oh, I fell. Whew. Okay, remember me? There we go. And I think there's one up here. Can't remember. Oh, no, that is not. No. And there was. I don't remember, actually. I don't think there was anything else interesting within my line of sight at the time. So, let's get out of here. I need more speed. As far as I know, there are 3 speed items in the game. One is, looks like a drink, soda type thing. The other looks like a goat's hoof. And, actually, I think the other one's part of the DLC. So maybe just 2 items in this game that help with speed. I don't know. Okay, wow. Okay. are you down there? Okay. Oh, hey there, buddy. I can see you there. Does it do more damage if I get closer to you? No, it doesn't. Oh, there's 3 of you now, huh? Isn't that a funny thing? Why were you aiming up? Oh, my drones, yeah. Oh, wait. Oh, I was not paying any attention. Hello. Ow, that kind of hurt. Not gonna lie. What is this? Oh. Right, I'm gonna not deal with that. Stay still for like 5 seconds. I need better healing items. What are you? What are you? What are you? I can't fix you. I don't have money. I think I'm doing okay for a solo. I've never played by myself before. Oh wow. Okay. Oh, you spawn like that? I thought that was just a texture glitch. Okay. Don't stand still too long in this game. Things spawn around you. So the longer you stand still, the more things spawn. It's, I think that's useful knowledge. I don't know. If you ever need to quote me for something, don't. It's a bad idea. Why would you be quoting me? Everything I say is absolutely horrendous. God. Oh wow, that didn't kill you. Sheesh. Chill. Talk about. Am I being a good YouTuber? I don't think so. Not yet. I need like lore. YouTuber lore, as one would say, perhaps. Maybe, I don't know. I need a wife, and I need to cheat on her, and I need to get in trouble for legal activities. Oh yeah, I need to kill a person. That's all I got. I don't know much about being a YouTuber. Oh, there's more downwards? No, there's not. That's just a void. What is that? Something. No. Yes. Why, hello there. I'd rather not. Whee. Okay, cool. Hey, this is red. Oh, hey, you're red. Well, kind of. Oh, ow, that hurt. Oh, wait, I can't jump. Oh, that hurt. Like, crunched my legs. I need out of here. Oh, wait, this is backup for the robots. Oh, no, I'm gonna die. Oh, okay, I'm okay. I'm alive. I'm alive. I just thought there was a box down here that I could profit from. But perhaps... no. Okay. Wow. Sirs, it would be mighty kind of you if you just blew up. Okay, you did. Thank you. I really appreciate that. Okay, I'm gonna fight the boss. Because, yeah. Stone Titan. Oh, I hate you. I don't like these ones. I really hate them. You can't dodge their laser beams, but they're also incredibly weak, apparently. Okay, why were you weak? That's not right. That's not right. Why were you weak? What's going on? Something's wrong. I can feel it. Why are the mini titans stronger than the bigger titans? I genuinely don't understand. I think I should go look around for these spike claw things real quick. Because, like, they help make things stand out. Which makes it easier for me to find loot. And oh my god, there's a whole area up here that I didn't see. Oh, ow! That hurt. I love being blind. It's my favorite pastime. It's done yet? No, it's not. Okay. Oh, hello there. Ow. How was the way up again? Where was the way up? Wait, did it already? Oh, okay, it didn't go through. Get away from me. There we go. I missed. There we go. Okay, there's an entire section up here that I utterly missed. Let us re-witness it with our eyes. How many eyes do you have? That was... What was that question? What? You know... Yeah, I'm gonna continue this line of conversation. This is like a good line of conversation. Do you have like 2, 1, 3, 58? How many eyes? Like, how many did you take? How many have you gained through the years, alright? How many people's eyes have you decided to scoop out? Like, I say that as a threat all the time, but there are people out there who will scoop out your eyes with a spoon. Someday I wish to meet one of them, but I do not want to anger them because I don't want my eyes scooped out with a spoon. I really like my eyes. Well, I don't like how they look, but I like their purpose. I appreciate them existing, being. They're overall good for seeing. Yeah. That... I'm so good at speaking. Like, I need to ask people what it's like talking to me. It's like, talking to other people, it gives me headaches, but people talking to me talking to other people. Me hearing other people gives me headaches, but what if other people hearing me? Do I destroy their brains? Do I make the gray matter in their heads explode? Do I just make their heads explode? Have I shot someone in the head with a shotgun? Yes, but in game. In a game. Can I say the name of the gun? This isn't Call of Duty, so oh no. Wow, I almost killed myself again. Am I allowed to say that? Oh dear, I don't know what I'm allowed to say in this. What am I allowed to say? because I'm not reading through all of whatever the terms of service were. I don't like. I like reading, but I don't like reading instructions. That is the bane of my existence. Like, you give me an instruction manual and I'll look at it. I won't see it. No, I'll look at it. Seeing and looking at it are two very, very importantly different things. If I look at it, it is there. I acknowledge it exists, yes. But do I see what is on the paper? No. No, I don't. And I never will. I'm probably just going to hand it back to you and say I read it. I didn't. I don't know what you want me to do. Explain it to me in all caps. If you want me to do something, do not hand me instructions. You're just asking for me to assemble it upside down, right side up, left, right, and all wrong. You're pretty much telling me to put it on your roof. And or in the sun. Don't hand me instruction manuals, you'll give me a migraine, that's what I mean. Just stay away from me with instruction manuals, it hurts my brain. I don't like reading instructions. It hurts. It's pitiful. Okay, so where's the teleporter again? I completely forgot. I've been talking to myself for 45 minutes. I was meant to stop this a bit ago. I'm gonna finish 6 state. Wow. The amount of views I'm gonna get on this, none. The amount of watch time I'm gonna get this, 2 seconds. Like, I know the only person who watches more than 2 seconds of my video, and that physically hurts me because I know exactly who you are. And you're doing it out of pity. How are you still breathing after seeing the cringe that is me? I am such a pitiful creature that you don't even feel pity. You just want to kick me and never see me again. Or maybe it's never see me again. Like, you witness me and you just wish you didn't. That type of pitiful creature. Because it just makes you sad, but you can't do anything about it. And where am I? Oh yeah. I don't like him. I can't do anything about that. So I'm just gonna get away from it as fast as humanly. Am I a human in this game? I'm unsure. See how extremely hard this thing is to kill? I think I have to boss fight one of these, and I need to run. Was that a Skyworm? Nah, I'm out of here. I forgot how much I dislike this level. I can't. I cannot. I simply can't. I'm gonna ignore the Skyworm. I'm gonna kill this instead. That seems like a better idea than. Okay, Skyworm, please. Personal space, Skyworm, jeez. I think I hit the cliffside. Okay, no, I didn't. Wow, okay, wow, okay, wow. I think this guy always. Oh, he's dead. Well, I think that guy always spawns there. Like, as soon as you start the level, he is there. Oh, it's the lightning! I like this. I like this a lot. Like, did it do... Ooh. Did it do what I asked it to do? I do not know. If I do not jump, I will take massive fall damage and perish at the whim, oh god, at the whims of something. Oh, jeez. Okay, I need to get out of here. This is not the ideal situation for me. There's this funny thing called... No. I'd rather not. I don't know much about this game. The most I know is... Oh no, that's a worm. What is this again? Oh, I don't want that. Well, maybe I do want that. Nah, I don't want it. I like my lightning better. I like lightning a lot. It's really good when it's really good when it's a lot. It's a lot. It's good. Is this still the same? Man, why are there so many of these things? I got what I wanted. Stop trying to give me trash. I don't like him. He takes too much to kill. I don't like him because he teleports and he hurts. He hurts a lot. But what I don't like more is the grandparent. That was the big old circular thing that looks like the second coming in Alan Becker's videos. Wait, what's his name? Alan Becker? I'm like 80% sure it was. Okay, make that into a 50%. I feel less unsure now that a couple seconds have passed. I'm so good at this game. That is a lie. Yes. Ooh, yeah, fuel cell. This is the thing I was attempting to talk about, but I failed miserably because I'm bad at talking. It's a really good thing to have with the, I think it's called it's either a royal capacitor, it's a flux capacitor, I'm unsure. It's a good, I like it. And what are you? I don't know what this is, but I want it. Let's kill this real quick. It'll give me, it shouldn't be enough money. Is it that enough money? No, it's not. Let's kill you instead. Oh, you're already dead. Did I kill you? That doesn't feel right. Oh, this is the thing that gives you the environment logs. This tells you about the zone you're in. You can view that stuff in the menu. Well, not this menu, but there's like another menu where, you know what, yes, Google is at your fingertips. I am not an Alexa. I don't need to explain everything I say. I need to cease. Cease and desist, I must. For if I do not, I will lose my mind. I like the music in this game, too. Sometimes. Sometimes it fits, sometimes it doesn't. What is that? Is that a monster? Is that a corpse? What are you? What are you? Oh, well, I'm not running. Wow, okay, that could have been incredibly bad. What is that? Have I been here before? What? Oh, yeah, this is a corpse? Oh, wait, this is where the Elder was. Yeah, for some reason when some of these creatures blow up, they leave, like, cores behind. Like, I think these ones leave cores behind here. Let's check. No, they leave bells. Sorry. I was wrong. Well, what am I looking for again? Oh, yeah, the teleporter. Have not seen that yet. Let's go down. Hello. I'm gonna strike with lightning because I can. No. Oh no, this is this is something completely different that I cannot explain on my lonesome. I need examples to explain that stuff. I can't just explain it once I see it. I need the key card. Yeah, why am I playing so? Oh yeah, still playing to sleep, so I couldn't play it with him. So now you're listening to me. What are you? Oh, I summoned you, didn't I? Yeah, let's go back up because I can't explain this. Sorry. If you want to know what it is, Google. Find a better YouTube video. Oh, here's the teleporter. The teleporter always seems to be in this area. Shift destination. I think shifting the destination will. This will make it so okay. Oh, jeez. Yeah, I don't. Ooh. Okay, so what I need to do is run. This is not something you want to be close to. I can tell you that. And it's significantly weaker than the one I fought before, and I don't understand. Why is it so weak? Why is everything so weak all of a sudden? I don't understand. Ooh, ooh, Whoa. Okay, I think because I shifted destination, this will let me move. Or maybe this will bring to the boss. I don't know. I just know I can do it. Alright, so after I click this again, I'm going to stop this, pause for a bit, and upload this video. So, if you want to keep watching this, you can when I upload the other video. Which will be me, continuing on until I perish. A probably hilariously stupid death is one. No one would say that. As one would do. I die a lot. Mostly in games, but sometimes elsewhere. That made sense. Oh, whoa. Okay, that. Ooh, I like lightning. Wait, I said this before. I repeat myself a lot, I think. Maybe. I could. I might. I'm not sure. I don't usually listen to myself speak. I don't usually think about what I say either. I just say it. Yeah. If this accidentally brings me to the boss room, I guess I'll keep recording. Well, it's not it accidentally bringing me to the boss room, it's me accidentally bringing myself to the boss room. Okay, this is... So, I'm going to stop now. I'm going to explain this first before... No, I'm just going to stop now, not explain anything else. Alright, which one stop recording again? That one. Alright, if you for some insanely strange reason enjoyed this, I may or may not, probably will, probably won't, there's a higher chance that I will, at some time this week, post me playing more of this. I don't know if this file will save. I don't know how this game works very well. I usually play multiplayer, so expect me to be as dumb as an egg. Alright, well, enjoy your night, or day, or if you're for some reason in France, at the time that it is a different time for me, what am I saying? I don't know what I'm saying. Alright, bye-bye!